Hey, welcome to Flipped! The twins here with Art Flair and Palav Gosal. And we're here to reveal to you this underground flipping formula. It's sort of a secret and very few people know about it. We know that you've never used it before and you probably never even heard about it. Certainly not the way Art and Palav are using it to do flips for profit in minutes. Okay, so what exactly is flipping and what's inside Flipped? Flipping or arbitrage is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Maybe you've even tried it before, but let us explain in more detail. Flipping is very easy and people have used it to make money literally forever. It's essentially buying low and selling high, being the middleman, which means that you don't have to do any actual work. Your earnings come from the difference in the price of a product or service in different places online. Sounds easy? Because it is. And the best part, since you don't have to do any actual work, all you need is just 5 minutes per flip, you'll see the whole process inside Flipped. All you really have to do is copy a listing from one place and paste it somewhere else. I hope you know how to copy and paste because that's all there is to it. Copy pasting is the only skill you'll need to get started right away and to set up multiple income streams in minutes with Flipped. So let us tell you all about the Flipped formula and how people all around the world are using it to make money each time they flip something in 5 minutes or less. Flipped is a complete business in a box. You don't need anything else to start seeing profits by this time tomorrow. The best part? This simple copy and paste formula allows anyone to build online income streams in minutes without experience and at zero cost. What you'll be selling is something that every single person online needs. That's why it's so powerful. All you need to do is follow a few simple steps and connect a buyer to the seller and cash in of a big difference in price. That's it. The Flipped formula has traffic and buyers built in, so you don't have to worry about. So could you be the middleman? Someone who sits back and relaxes while cashing in on a big price difference between two platforms? Of course you could. Your previous experience doesn't matter. It's time for you to finally start making money online. Would you spend 5 minutes to earn $20 to $80 every single time you do this? Would you like to see your first commission by this time tomorrow? Of course you would. Who wouldn't? Well, with Flipped, you can. The early users are already doing it. Check out their testimonials below. All they do is repeat these 3 simple steps over and over again. 1, copy a listing from one platform. 2, paste it in on another platform. 3, make $20 to $80 each time. Flipped walks you through the whole process from start to finish. You can make money with it by this time tomorrow, maybe even by the end of the day today. Just to sum it up, all you need is 5 minutes. There's zero cost. All you do is copy and paste. That's it. Oh, and by the way, Flipped is not about flipping physical products, so you don't have to worry about return, shipping, or handling. There's just one downside. The doors to Flipped are closing. They're closing on this hugely discounted launch price. Make sure to take advantage of this amazing opportunity right now. The instant access button is right below this video. You'll also find all the info, proof, and testimonials down there. So, will you find 5 minutes to cash in on these huge price differences between the two platforms revealed inside Flipped? You can create your first income stream by the end of the day. All you need is 5 minutes. Check out the rest of the page and grab your copy of Flipped before it's gone forever.